Opus 5 just dropped yesterday, and I had to remake 3 of our all-time favorite games: CSGO, Fortnite, and Cuphead. But instead of the usual videos that you might have seen, where it's like browser-based and you just have to open up Google Chrome to play it, I used Unreal Engine, which is the engine behind actual Fortnite, and I used Godot, which is another engine that you can use to make 3D games. So this video is not going to be one of those usual benchmark, AI slap type beat can make Minecraft. Hopefully this should be a step up above the other videos that we've been making in the past like 3 weeks or so. But that being said, before I showcase what we made here, I wanted to for like 2 minutes about Opus 5 and like how you should like see it, how I'm seeing it, and if it really matters compared to other stuff. So right off the bat, Opus 5 from Anthropic, but Fable 5 just came out, and there's Mythos 5, but that's a secret, nobody could use it. But according to the benchmarks Anthropic released for Opus 5, it is just as good or better than Fable 5 at everything. But Opus 5 is better than Fable 5. So what the hell? What does that mean? At first it's confusing, and for like a whole day yesterday, I was making a bunch of TikToks. I was confused too. I didn't really get it. After Theo yelled at me, I kind of understood it a little bit more. So basically, what I view this as, Opus 5 was trained off of Mythos 5. But as we know, Mythos 5 and somewhat parts of Fable 5 have some capabilities that could be seen as destructive or dangerous, in particular when it comes to like hacking stuff. Even in recent times, we saw OpenAI had this other model that isn't out yet. That one like hacked out of the environment it was put into and like hacked Hugging Face and used its credentials to pass this test, which is something you should definitely go watch. But Anthropic basically took Mythos 5 and then trained Opus 5 off of it, but kept 95% of it and then took out the 5% of it that could be dangerous. So all of the parts that we know that the government has banned these models for, they took out those parts of Opus 5. But then since it's Opus and it's not Fable, they were able to offer it to us for a cheaper price. For an everyday user, if you're making an iOS app or a website or whatever it is that you're making, use Opus 5. The way that I see it is like 50% of your usage can be used for Fable 5, right? The other 50%, use Opus 5. But that being said, let's go into the games that Opus 5 made for us. I had a slash goal running for 6 hours last night. Believe it or not, I have the $100 a month plan. I didn't even get close to using my usage. Okay, so let's use Teacup first. And a reminder that this wasn't built on like Next3JS like browser. This was built on Godot. Godot is a 3D thing that you can like build 3D actual games on. Let's see if this works. Settings works. Boss select. Ooh, there's 3 of them. Okay, this looks like paddle. Am I tripping or does this just look like paddle? How do you play this game? What am I supposed to do? Okay, I think I died. How is this Cuphead? I remember playing Cuphead. Cuphead is really hard. I really don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here. I guess it does look like a teapot. I'm jumping in it. I feel like I can just barely make it up. Maybe the white one I'm supposed to touch? Okay, no, I just died. What the hell am I playing? Hold on. Okay. Let's play this again. Play full run. Are you supposed to jump on the black thing? What? Oh my god! You can shoot in this game! What? Since when? Okay. So you can shoot stuff. Noted. I mean, I guess it's working, but I can't get anywhere. There's no double jump. What am I doing? Oh! Okay, we're getting somewhere. Still not jumping high enough. Z works in midair. Oh, X is shoot. Oh, I don't even need my mouse then. C is parry. B needs meter. V, super, needs meter. Something is not working. Let me fix this. Okay, I think it fixed it. Let's see if it fixed it. Okay, my jump is higher. Oh! Jump is higher. Oh! Wait, this is actually hard. Oh! I. Fizwick the bottle cap. What do you do though? How do I like hit it? Oh, I have a shoot. Oh my god, I keep forgetting I can shoot. Oh wow, hold on. It's low-key working. I don't even need to hold it, it just presses it. Oh, I'm jumping, it's shooting. I'm just holding the button for now and it's working. The boss is aiming towards me. And you die when you die. I just didn't know how to play it first. There was a little glitch where I couldn't jump high enough, but now you can do that. I need to press C on a pink one. Let's see if I can do that. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh god, what is this? Bang, 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 bang. And we go below New Jersey. Bang. While I'm fighting this boss and saving our life and protecting our honor and integrity, if you haven't already subbed to this channel, that would be great because we are approaching 3,000 subs and I'm going to keep on making banger videos like this in addition to other more educational how-to videos as well, just like I make out here and on TikTok. And during the month of July, I'm giving away a Mac Mini for free to anybody that subs to me on YouTube here, follows me on TikTok, and or joins the school community. Simple as that. Also, I've made a bunch of videos like this in the past with Fable 5, Opus 5, GPT 5.6, everything, so definitely go watch those videos too. If you want to sub, that would be amazing. Okay, I've had enough of this game. That wasn't the craziest thing ever. Okay, let's do the next game. So the next game that we have is Stormfall. This is loosely based off of CSGO, so it should look like an FPS type beat shooter. We'll see. Again, this was a part of a 6-hour slash goal that I put in together, making all 3 games at once with Opus 5. And the most fun part about this is that we built this using Unreal Engine 5.8. Unreal Engine, for those of you that don't know, is the development official make a game type beat software for Fortnite, so this should hopefully be pretty good. We'll see though. Oh my god, holy sensitivity. Interesting. Hold on. Oops, yo, I closed it on mistake. Hold on. Can you make W up and S down and D right and A left, and the sensitivity for mouse is not working? Okay, let's have it fixed that. We'll jump back into that. Okay. I think it should work now. Let's see. Oh! W is still right, though. S is left. This is very strange. Storm moves in 1 minute. F is wall. Q is cycle. This is slop. What is this? What was even built? What am I even... Okay, you can jump. What is this? It's still... And this is retarded. I supposed to be doing are the weapons is the objective. I'm really not understanding what I'm supposed to be doing in this game right now. I'm just here for the ride. The storm moves in 40 seconds. Oh my god. So I collected wood at some point. After 10 minutes of trying, this is buns. I'm putting the wall down. Opus 5, more like Opus buns. Let's go to the next game. Usually you watch these videos, you're like, AI is gonna take over my job. No, it's not. Don't think so. All right, last game. So this is Strike Protocol. We built this on Godot 3D. This is supposed to be CSGO. What? Okay, I'm shooting it. I think I just killed someone. This is buns. Okay, let's play again. I bought this gun, $200. Now I can kill people. Kill him. Kill him. I think I'm out of bullets. Last one, come back here. You disappeared. So the map itself, it's here. B doesn't work. I can't buy a new map. Escape works, but when you press escape, you get stuck. Okay, that was a waste of credits. Opus 5 is out. It is of the same intelligence level as Fable 5, but I guess AI just isn't at the point yet where it can do 3D games. I'm joking. I'm not actually being mean or condescending about this, but I don't think it's there yet. It's an Unreal Engine and Godot. It did not do a great job, Opus 5, at cooking these games. Maybe this is why most other channels, they only use the Web3 Next.js stuff. I wanted to try 3D. I really did. It's so bad. But don't worry, just because this video wasn't that crazy doesn't mean all of them are going to be boring. I made a game on my 3DS, and then I also made a hacked version of Pokemon Coliseum Gales of Darkness on Nintendo 64 with codecs. Both of them were codecs. So that video's coming. I already made a bunch of videos before about Dark Souls, Power World, Call of Duty, like making those games. Definitely go watch those out. Opus 5 is out. It's not the best at 3D design. Okay, now we know that, but that doesn't mean it's not great at other things, right? So if you're using anything, try Opus 5. Don't do it for 3D stuff though.